What is up, and welcome back to the channel. And for those of you guys who are new, welcome to easily what I'm going to consider YouTube's most inconsistent channel. Anyway, I have a new car, and I actually did a front bumper install. It is the Audi RS3 front bumper from BKM, and today we're going to be doing a review of that front bumper. I did get some new camera gear, so I'm using this Joby, I think that's what it's called or how you pronounce it, and then I have a Crane 2 from some company that I cannot pronounce. So instead of me awkwardly walking around the car, I'm going to be shooting some B-roll of the car, and then I'm going to awkwardly record my audio of me talking about the front bumper and all that fun stuff. So yeah. Alright, so my bad. I noticed while I was editing the video that I had spent way too much time focusing on the B-roll for the video and not enough time actually making a review for the bumper. So I'm sorry for all my crappy cinematics that pretty much didn't get you what you're looking for. So let me do the review. Simply put, I love the front bumper. It's an incredible product. BKM makes a great front bumper. Obviously nothing is going to be perfect, but overall it was a pretty simple process. For starters, due to this whole quarantine thing, I had a ton of time, so when I actually ordered the bumper, the first thing I did once I got that shipping confirmation, which by the way only took like 1 day, I went and I actually uninstalled my OEM front bumper. So that made things a lot faster because by the time the bumper had got here, I had already had my front bumper uninstalled. So that made life a lot easier for me. Once the bumper got in, pretty simple, you know, rip it out of the packaging like it's Christmas morning and then get to installing. Probably the most complicated part is actually getting the grill piece onto the front bumper, which is, I mean, it's complicated, but it's pretty simple. Just a couple of screws. There's the screws that were on your factory bumper. Just throw those on to the aftermarket bumper and bada bing, you're good to go. After that point, it was a simple test fit and making sure everything was good. And of course, to my surprise, everything was good to go. Installs usually are never that simple, but the BKM bumper, it was actually a pretty simple install. It was pretty straightforward. I would say the most time consuming part of the whole process would be the OEM bumper removal and the front lip install. The front lip install is usually super simple, especially if you have some 3M tape, which this lip did come with 3M tape, but because I was just test mounting the bumper, I didn't end up using the 3M tape to install the front lip. So with all that being said, the bumper itself, a great product. The front lip, also a great product. This a little bit weird, I would say. The front lip, not the bumper. If I had to give it one solid rating, I would definitely give it a 8 out of 10. Obviously, 10 would be like OEM perfect, like there's no issues at all with it. One being it's garbage. So an 8 out of 10. I think that's pretty solid, definitely pretty fair. Again, it's a super good product. I had that front lip issue just due to the hardware that went missing. And yeah, I mean, otherwise I don't have any complaints about the product or anything at all. I definitely recommend it. If you have an S3, I think it is the way to go. Even if you have an A3, it's the way to go. It looks incredible. I went through BKM's website. They sell other bumpers for other Audis, and I believe they sell parts for other cars in general. Definitely check out BKM. I will link them down below for you guys to check out. So yeah, I did want to mention something I paid a lot of attention to in that B-roll, which is the Brom racing seats. Those are kind of a pain. My dashboard now lights up like a Christmas tree, but hey, it's all good. The seats look great, so it's worth it. I am going to be doing a review and obviously some more B-roll of those seats here in the near future. So if that's something you guys want to see, just make sure you guys hit that bell notification so you guys can be notified when I actually post that video. So yeah. Anyway guys, as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions at all about the front bumper or the Brom seats, please just make sure you give me a message on Instagram, you know, slide in the DMs as the cool kids say. I'm more than happy to answer any questions you guys have on there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.